I'm Cindy Donovan, and over the next 2 minutes, I'd love the opportunity to take you by the hand and show you exactly how to generate easy, unlimited Amazon commissions using free viral traffic. I don't know about you, but I've never been a fan of the hard work needed to set up hundreds of Amazon sites, painstakingly writing unique content for each one, and then playing the SEO lottery, hoping that Google will eventually send a trickle of traffic your way. You work too hard to be wasting time on things that aren't pushing you forward, or stuff that might not even work. So let's skip the guesswork and start getting you results. And these days, I'm able to generate unlimited viral traffic and juicy Amazon commissions on demand. But before I saw any success with Amazon's affiliate program, I spent a lot of time in the trenches. I've always known that there was huge potential in the Amazon affiliate program, as you probably have done too. I've tried every Amazon software, plugin and guide under the sun. But no matter what, the results were usually the same. A huge amount of hard work and time spent with only a few measly commissions, if any, to show for it. It's no wonder, considering that you're spending most of your time fiddling with clunky scripts, plugins, importing and updating products, and on, blindly writing copy and hoping that it will be Google friendly. Now, there's no doubt in my mind that eventually you'll be able to dig yourself out at some stage with enough blood, sweat and tears. I would just love to save you from the grief and the frustration that you would have had to go to get there. And that's why I'd like to invite you inside ShopABot. ShopABot is a unique Amazon store building software that completely skips all of the hard work and shows you how to instantly generate viral traffic and huge commission checks. And that said, it is much more than just an amazing piece of software. It's a simple to follow 3-step formula for making money with Amazon, a system you can replicate over and over again and scale up so you can easily grow your Amazon affiliate earnings into a healthy full-time income. And before we go any further, I'd like to address the elephant that just stomped its way into the room, that a lot of these software creators actually usually ignore. Now, if this is so good, why am I sharing this amazing Amazon software and money-making system with you? It's simple. I'd like to both save and make money. Now that might seem a little bit blunt, but I've always been a little bit of a straight talking kind of gal, and that's exactly what you can expect from ShopABot too. No fluff, just results. ShopABot is entirely cloud-based, so I've invested heavily in the behind-the-scenes hardware and the code that will run your sites and campaigns. So getting a few people on board is going to help me recover some of that cost. Now, getting more than a few people on board won't just save you a ton of time and prevent months of frustration and lost potential income, but it helps our intelligent software to learn faster and give everyone using it bigger paychecks, which honestly gives you a huge advantage. Why, you ask? Well, you'll benefit from a super simple setup. With just a few clicks, you'll have your new profit-pulling Amazon store live and ready to take orders. This is great news because you don't have to waste your time on complicated technical stuff. You can dive straight into unleashing the true money-making power of the software. We will host your ShopABot sites and campaigns for you. You don't need your own hosting account. Heck, you don't even need a domain name. Even better, after you make your smart investment on this page today, there are no hidden costs or components needed to make this work. Automatic live updates from Amazon. There is absolutely no need to import anything or waste time updating your store. Your site will contain every single product sold on Amazon, so no matter what your visitors want to buy, you're ready to earn commissions on it. If a price or product is updated, your store will instantly update too. Viral product search. This will show you the best-selling Amazon products in any niche, and more importantly, it will show you the products that are most liked, shared and talked about on social media. This is extremely powerful, letting you pick and promote products that are guaranteed to be profitable winners. Your competition could only dream of having this inside information, but you will have it right there at your fingertips. Instant free viral traffic with giveaways. ShopABot makes it dead easy to create viral giveaways promoting these winning products. The giveaway pages are fully monetized, so just posting them on social media will make sales, but they'll also entice and compel your visitors to share your pages, generating free viral traffic to your store and tons of autopilot Amazon affiliate commissions. Now, to be honest, you could achieve most of this on your own. You would have to pay for hosting and domain names and then spend hours upon hours of futile, manual research in order to find the winning campaigns. The custom coding needed to create your own Amazon store and have it work with viral giveaways would actually be quite expensive as well. But don't worry, because I'm going to save you a lot of time and money today. But I have to warn you, there is a catch on securing your copy of ShopABot. I'm only releasing a limited amount of copies available at the low introductory price you see below. Since the software is cloud-based and I take care of all of the hosting costs for you, there is naturally only space for so many people before the servers are going to fill up. So once that happens, I will have to close this page down until I can install some more servers, and then ShopABot will open again, but it's going to be opening at a higher price. Now, I know that this puts a lot of pressure on you, so I'm going to do everything in my power to make your decision extremely simple. You can grab your copy of ShopABot today, and if for some reason you don't see results that I'm promising you today, you're covered by my ironclad 30 days money-back guarantee. Because of the limited nature of this offer, I don't want to take up too much more of your time. So if you still see the buy button below, I recommend clicking it right now to secure your copy before it's too late. And once again, I'm extremely excited for you to jump in and get started. So click the button now, and I'll see you inside.